Hi, this is our project LandMarkit. We are team number 131 and this is our demo video. So let me just explain you guys how this project is working on the local host. We first begin with the command ganache CLI. This is the command that we use to get a list of available POTUS wallets, as well as we get the mnemonic over here. All these wallets, as you can see, they have a separate address and 100 Ethereum value, which we'll use for our transactions for testing purposes. Uh, Here we are replacing the address for the receiver, which will later be visible in the website. I'll explain the workflow as we go on. Now we're running the truffle migrate network development function, network development command. This is the command that we use to deploy our project locally on truffle, and this is where we get our contract address that we'll replace in the project. Now we have to compile inside the contract folder. So as you can see, we've got a transaction hash as well as a contract address, and this is the contract address that we'll replace in our code. Now we run the command npm start to see our project on the local host. So this is our project. We click on get started, and this is our customer front, as we already know. This POTUS menu button is used to link the sender's POTUS wallet to our portal. This is the sender's address that is being fetched automatically by our code. We are now copying down the mnemonic to our POTUS wallet to get a balance in the Ethereum so that we can continue with our testing. When we click on check balance, you can see that the sender balance is 99.95 Ethereum, and this we'll use for testing purposes. Now we'll click on get started, and this is where we'll enter the pin code for which we want to see the relevant properties. So when we click on list properties, we get a list of available properties for that particular pin code. The properties which are available to buy have a buy button situated right next to them, relevant to the property ID, which is 1, 2, or 3 right now. And when we click on the buy function for any property, buy button for any property, we get the owner's wallet address for that particular property, which we can copy down, and we can add in the receiver's address field. We know and carry on with our transactions. Also, the pop-up that you just saw shows the details of the property. Like when you click on one, you see the property's name, the cost, etc., which you can enter down in the amount field. And then the receiver balance as of now is 100 Ethereum, and once we click on transfer and we click on check balance, we can see that the transfer has taken place. So now we need to confirm the payment. As you can see, we have a transaction hash displayed here, which basically means that transaction was successful. Let's just verify it. And as is visible, the receiver balance account has increased and that of the sender has decreased. That is, the transaction has taken place. And yes, this is it. Thank you.